Hi guys, welcome to Avas Aquatics. Today's video is about the platy fish. We have seen or come across lots of varieties of ornamental fishes, and in that platy fish is one of the important strain. So as you know, platy fish is a freshwater aquarium fish which is very popular for its vibrant coloration, body pattern and active behaviors. In this video, we are going to share some of the important factors or interesting factors about the platyfish. Listen to the video fully and share your views and comments. We will revert back with the right information if you have any queries over it. Let's go to the video. So point number one, platyfish are native originated from east coast of Central America and southern Mexico. Some of the special and famous platy fishes like Mickey Mouse platy, sunset platy, sunburst, neon wagtail platy, black humbug, Dalmatian, green Latin. These are the few famous ones which you see across all shops very often. And point number two is platy fish is very colorful and there are very wide ranges of colorful platy fishes including red, orange, yellow, blue, black, gradations of black and blue, black and green, which I have seen. And with that, there are different kinds of pattern and fin formations also. So platyfish has wide ranges of strains with them. Almost I have seen almost 15 to 20 varieties of platyfish with a different pattern, coloration and fin formations. Point number three is platyfish are live bearers, which means they give birth to fries lively, and those fries will be free swimming in a day or two max. So this actually gives a easy hand for us to breed at home. So anybody who wants to learn how to breed fish, especially live bearers, Platy is one of the best example to try with, and it is very easy to. We'll be sharing a detailed video about how to breed a platy fish at home with basic things, whatever you have it. You can see that video and you can try that also. Point number four is platy fish are peaceful and non-aggressive fishes. So it makes them suitable for the community aquarium where you can put them with other fishes like angel, guppies, mollies, rams, tetras and name it, you can put it. The only 2 points you have to consider is don't overpopulate the tank with so many fishes. Second thing, the size differentiation size, because mostly the bigger size of fish will try to dominate other fishes and hence there might be a problem of fighting and biting. It leads to death. So please take care of that. Rest all will be fine. But platyfish is a non-aggressive and very peaceful fish. Point number five is platyfish is easy to care. Why I am saying is they are easy to care is they are hardy and adaptable fishes, and they can tolerate any type of water condition and they can accommodate also. So that way, as a breeder or a beginner of you want to get into as a hobbyist or a breeder, you can try with platyfish and it will be more easy and suitable one to try all kinds of experiments with platyfish if you want to start breeding them or growing them at home. Just that very important factor is give them the clean water and well maintained environment. That is more than enough. These are the basic requirements, not with an extra care or something. Rest all will be fine with the platyfish and they are easy to care. And point number six is they are very, very active swimmers. They will be very active in exploring each and every corners of the aquarium. When you put like 20 to 30 platyfish together, you will be seeing the aquarium very active and they will be moving 24/7. This very peaceful and appealing to see when you are watching the movements of the fishes, and you can try it. It will be more vibrant and colorful to see. Point number seven is platyfish has different fin formation as I told you earlier. They have a unique distinguished fin formation from each strains in categorized with them. So for example, there is a standard fin formation. Wagtail is there, lyrae is there, and swat tail is there, top sword is there. More than 15 to 12 varieties of informations are there, and with that coloration and pattern also. So they have that wide range of platyfishes for you to select to grow at your home, or you want to breed, whatever it is. Point number 8, coming to diet, platyfish are omnivorous fishes, which means they will have varieties of food which includes flakes, petals, live feed, and some plant matters also, where algae forms, they feed on algae also. So you don't need to care too much of what kind of specific feed we have to give them. They are fine with any kind of feed, provided don't overfeed the fishes, and that will create a problem of fishes where they eat too much and they might die, or it affects the health and coloration, or it affects the water quality, and it might lead to fishes die in your tank. So don't overfeed the fishes, rest all is fine. Point number 9 is the breeding pattern. So Platys are prolific breeders. That means female Platy can store sperm and give birth to multiple batches from the one single time of mating. So once one single time they mated, they will be keep giving you fries every proper interval of time, provided the right kind of tank setup and the atmosphere setup. So here there is a two problem arises if you watch it closely. First thing, that they can lead to rapid population growth in your tank if it is not controlled. Second thing, you will not be knowing which platy breeded with which female or whatever it is, if you are having multiple platys, like multiple strains of platys in your tank. So that way it will be a problem. Rest all it will be fine if you know how to control them and what kind of strains you are having in your tank and whatever it is. And point number 10 is, this is one of the important factor which you have to understand when it comes to the community tank. Platyfish and guppies are very closely related fishes strains, and both are live bearers, popular live bearers. So there are conditions where they might interbreed also, and I have not tried it as a breeder. I have not tried it, and I have not experienced the offsprings. So we have not tried it, but people who have tried it have told us they have hybrid offsprings of mollies, and or other way it is called Platys. So we don't know what kind of offsprings you get, but if you want to try, it is quite interesting experiment to try with. You can carry on. You can share your comments and the views about how was your process and what kind of offsprings also you get. So that way. So tank size is an important factor. That is the point number 11, where the platyfish can settle up with any kind of tank, tubs, outside ponds, and wherever you want to keep. But you should have a general of 40 to 45 liters tank setup will be more than enough. But the more larger tank, the more stable environment and better water quality you are giving to your fish. So depending upon the requirement, you set up your tank and put your fishes. So point number 12 is live plants. Platyfish you can put the platyfish in live plant setup aquascapings, which enhance the scaping overall because of the coloration and the pattern of your fish, and the background will be green, and it will be very contrasting. So you can try it. It will enhance over your setup overall aesthetically, and it will be more attractive also. And coming to the final point is the 13th point, where the platyfish lifespan is almost 2 to 3 years with proper care and water condition and everything. So if you have a nice setup of tank, the fishes will be there with you till maximum 3 years, and they breed very rapidly also. So the points what all I discussed is based on the care how you take your fish. So proper appropriate diet and environment and regular maintenance will give you a healthy and longer fish life in your tank. Subscribe us for more information.